fret this black and crew can say, you never know. Who know when me I eat, comment right now. Anybody will know what this is? Because I'm not going to make you know what this is. You have to comment and tell me what this is. What me I eat.
But Dalvin don't know what.
Who don't know what? Can I eat something I don't know what?
Oh.
Who don't know what? Can I eat something I don't know what?
Oh. Oh.
Right now, what is the next one?
We're reaching, no?
What is the next one?
I'm jumping in the river right now.
Let me do swim.
Watch it.
We jump in the river. Let me do swim.
Yeah, people come like Guinea.
Get that one taste, I don't rather.
I get a taste. I want to taste like cake we bake.
Who know what we eat? I don't know what we eat. I'm going to win more what we eat in the bush.
This tastes like Guinea. Just believe me. Nice.
Nice.
Talk about it. I'm a big old man now. I never know this could eat.
Yeah, man.
Big teach me something today.
So we are in Shabba's farm. Yeah. Shabba have pepper tree over here. I mean, so we are cook some brown stew chicken back and plain rice. Yeah, man. Rather come in with the thing them you know. Coal and the coal stove. You see no crocodile there, sir. Right, that's what we did today. Yes, go on, Shabba. Yeah, do good things, man. Yeah, do great things, man, Shabba. Yeah, do great things, man. You're great, man. Right, now we are go ahead and get to fire light up. Yeah, man. Rather just put in the coal them in there already. Something.
Them pizza. Dani pizza, man. I didn't mean Dani pizza.
Yes, yeah, them name Danny peas.
And the one will and to everyone in there.
Oh.
I mean, just take them up back and come up every evening. And plant them out and look on them.
Danny peas. Yeah. Yes, a peas and dash, yeah, yeah, those.
Take them up everyone. Pick up everyone
and come plant them. Yeah. Mighty God.
And look on them. One with dash over there. Yeah, I them this. Yeah. You pick up back and come plant, I them this.
Alright, so Shabba style, I go get the fire blazing.
God, you ever keep the fire blazing, you know? You know, so George ever keep the fire blazing, you know?
I blaze some fire now. Shabba, you know, no fork today. No fork.
Machete, the right just up to you know.
Oh yeah, machete in a bush, yeah?
Hold for machete, man. She machete, yeah? Machete there, so.
Alright, yeah, man, machete in a bush, yeah? So we do it now, either have a machete them in a bush. Alright, so rather I go and get the chicken back clean up in the meantime between time.
Yeah, I should play them first. I know say wash first.
Oh, yeah, man. So do your thing, man. Back to Shabba over here.
You know, so Shabba ever keep the fire blazing.
Shabba have a nice view, yeah, so you know. Right here is a very nice view of the water in the background. Alright, fire light up, you know.
Without the fire blazing, nothing now go on, you know?
Yeah, so we're up on the farm, Shabba farm, we're up on, you know. Get the fire blazing. More style. Alright, get the thing them clean up. Don't know, color wash them and get washed. So you have to get the thing them clean. Yeah, that is it. Fire light up over here, so see you, man. Look who smoke the front, look who smoking out the fire.
Yeah, man, I never smoke there.
Fire did it. That is it. Alright, I'll get active, you know. Get the chicken back clean up and cut up.
Where's the knife, Shabba?
Hey, if we go around and Shabba
No,
always,
because I think say,
always at the beach.
lice man what do best on the water near one gung them a run and a cuz boy. One gung them a run and a. See,
Life and water come. Look, watch someone and learn.
move watch and learn.
Life and water come from up there, so this come from wall be up in the mountain.
Brother, I hope in the same mountain the water come
Life
from.
and water come from
One mountain, water come from one water. No different water. So no way you tell me say one sea, one water. What you tell me say? Are you what to deal with? Because I just
always at
one
the
water you tell me about different
ready for clean
water.
up the chicken.
One lifespan water that. You can't tell me nothing. But that was different water come out through. Why part of mouth here, man? You can't trick me. Cause one grung and one water come from one grung. What you tell me say? You can't. I don't talk to you, know. Give what you want to run on people, you know, brother.
That boss is rather, yeah, talk about people at bosses. Yeah, bosses now.
You know what you me attack.
Me don't know about me not come
Because
from out there, so.
if you have one split, yes, so like so, Dalvi. And water run from us and water run from you, so. And then I grung that come from a one water. I come from I grung.
Alright,
What you tell me, say,
come
water run
in.
from just different places.
You
can't tell me nothing, my youth. You can't tell me nothing of one water. You couldn't ball blood.
Alright.
You can't trick me. Me go to school go learn, never go for one bench. Yeah, man, I got to know people now. We got the chicken back clean up. So we're cleaning up the redness out of the chicken back. You see me? Because you know them have to clean out, so you know where badness go. I will say fully out there, you know.
No soft like grotto.
No soft like grotto. Alright. Cut him. Clean him up and cut him. Eh? No, man. He knows how to me attack, you know. Yeah.
You not tell lie.
You tell lie.
You believe
Nobody
him?
will know me know that.
Jesus, I will get this straight. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Me say me not tell lie.
Looking
For your
like
band?
camera.
Me not tell lie.
For your band?
Anything me talk about.
For your band, you never tell lie?
You want to say never tell lie.
Me not tell lie. Nobody know me as a liar.
You're a liar. I'm not quiet.
Baby.
Of course, my baby. Just born one
You're a big man.
You're a big man.
I say don't tell lie. Don't tell lie.
Fuck.
Ah, fuck your dog.
You talk facts like when I show.
Yes, sir. Cassava that. Me see it a while ago. Me I wonder what to.
Alright, people, we're chicken back up and running, you know. No, you know you cut me, okay? If you cut me a problem. Dark one look good though. Watch your people now. I get a sour and I put on the meat. Kill off the rawness off of the meat. I know everything about Jamaican style. And DJ Delvi can tell you. Yeah, so just click the notification button, click the like button and subscribe.
That
And
is it.
share and tell a friend to tell a friend.
To tune in.
Alright, so we are doing this now.
Yeah, you see the best
Kill
way
off all the
to.
rawness off
Yeah.
it, you know. No
The
people.
best way to get off the rhyme.
Yeah, man. So,
You more the rhyme.
so see them see that now.
Get off the rawness.
Them see that now. I get them see that I grow. As a farm with it, see there. Pop through over there, so bean, or the red peas. And I can make an order now. So we get to wash off them in the water. Come in, Dalvi, because you know the thing go. We have to bingo. So, see there. Get some water in there. Get the meat wash off clean too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you are getting seasoning, you know?
The chicken seasoning underneath, you know.
Yeah, that chicken spice.
Yeah. And this our
Spicy to the bone. Yeah.
So I get the whole pan thing. No, too much in idea.
Yeah, I just try out them seasoning to them. I buy them from Old Harbor. Them name Old Harbor Spices.
Yeah, so we're mixing, turning, instant turning.
Yeah, we don't have to use a whole heap of seasoning when you do them thing because you don't know the natural seasoning that go in there too.
Alright, I get the scallion, the onion and the carrot. The garlic is cut up. I wash them off first and everything. I'm going right side of the river. River pretty. They take a chocolate right now. How we call it river? Shabba river? Shabba style river. Shabba, what river your name?
No, because I laugh because you're not giving no name. Dry gully, you're not take it away.
Shabba style river, here people come, they come here, so Shabba style river.
Shabba style river.
Yeah, man.
Mold it in there now. Oil gone in a pot. Alright, so everything clean up and ready to start cut up in the chicken pack.
Everything going brown through, you know?
Scallion. Season up chicken back.
We're getting herb onion.
Herb onion.
Yeah.
Don't know, so it's all about outside cooking adventure. Do remember, if you don't like the video yet, like up the video please and thanks. Don't know outside I do it. Yeah man, today the first day. From them time there until now, we can come outside. So garlic go in, you know. Yeah man. Looking beautiful so far. Carrot. Getting carrot. Yeah man, as I say, from what they are pure rain and fall, so today the first day we can actually do something, so we just make use of it. Yeah. Big up to all viewers and subscribers. You don't know anything come down. Getting the French time, you know. French time are the best time. Yeah man. Season is well ready, you know. People know you're in the bush there and we don't know discovery, so you know how to make one meat. You know, see it? Get on the pot. We already put oil in it. Yeah. So we just get in the sugar. Get some sugar go and burn. Check the color. Alright, so when people know that this is curry brown stew again, chicken back, this not chicken this time. With white rice, you know? Yeah. Right, line up that, you know? Yeah. So we now just do brown stew alone. Come here, brother. We'll add some curry to it. Pour in that part. Pour in that part.
We're getting the chicken back.
Pour in, you know, man, make it Only pot and stir. Use the banana chop.
You make banana chop to Shabba, you know it's a real bush style.
Yeah, you know that yard.
Yeah, down there yard. Outdoor adventure, you know.
Smell good already.
What is this, Shabba?
Curry brown stew, chicken back, not chicken.
Okay.
Back where you cook, not the chicken. The
Nice
back.
chicken. Yeah, so we cover him now. Go on, simmer down.
Yeah.
Simmer down. Simmer down.
Stay tuned. I'm going to show you around on the farm clear now. Yeah. Alright, so we have to take a little walk through
No, so we are set back the place.
the farm, yeah?
We plant them and we are going to plant some potatoes.
Yep.
Right out the stand. Right out here.
Okay. Potatoes slip out to them side.
Nice young plant bunch of come there.
Yeah. Nice plant now come up right there, so yeah man, soon ready. By next year that.
Sweet pepper bed.
Sweet pepper bed.
You see this? So sweet pepper at It's a cabbage.
Cabbage right there, so. You just sow seed them and then you go transplant them.
Yeah.
Okay. If you come on the farm with the one idea, man. Yeah.
Pepper at flavor actually. Pepper. Banana walk and clean up, you know?
Yeah, banana walk and clean up. Right now we are going to pick pepper, one few pepper. You don't know, one pepper for going to rice and pepper for going to meat pot.
No
So,
walk this one.
don't walk this so.
No, I know me man. I'm farmer thing, man. Give me like rule, it's a walk, and that's up on the people sitting.
Pick two pepper there.
Pick two pepper there.
Pepper me tip pot.
You know, see no green one, Panny.
No green one on the pan. No green one on the pan. It's a be a right pass.
Green pepper, they pan it too, man. You have to lift up the tree and look now.
Lift up the tree. Alright.
One green one to put in the rice and one to
Find see if you can find one green one.
Hold it. I got this also. Go from my phone.
yeah, man, we are going to walk one big pot, you know?
Check in pot smell good. Check in pan the pot here now. Yeah,
Any name again, Shabba?
Curry brown stew.
Curry brown stew, yeah, with some plain rice, I don't know. That we are chef up in idea, yeah. I bush through there with the on the farm today.
Where pepper they rather?
Where do you do the pepper?
Cut bonnet in the pot.
That is it, yeah. That a boss in the pot, you know.
Boss man.
Let's go and for your stone, man.
Natural stone, so them pretty. They color them here.
Pretty, man. If you remember that something name, Yoka. Who know it? Who live in a country, they must know this. Yeah. This right here, you know, long I not see it. That's why I know say you live in a country, Jamaica, you're not supposed to hungry. Look what I eat.
That remind me of pies, you know.
Nah, pies, man, I know what I eat.
A guinea.
Sweet and nice too. A fresh is black and cure cancer, you never know. I thought I look nice too, you know. I mean, I come up with that one day.
You know, can't cure cancer because enough people need to know so this can eat. And he can't eat. You know, check out people. Yeah, people come like guinea.
Get that one taste, I don't rather.
I get a taste. I want to taste like cake we bake.
Who know how we eat? I don't know how we eat. I'm going to win more how we eat it at the
People,
butcher.
this tastes like guinea. Just believe me. Nice.
Nice.
Talk to me about it. I'm a big old man now. I never know so this could eat.
Yeah,
This guy
man.
big teeth me something today.
Yeah, man. All heap of them
They
we
say
eat,
too
man.
old to learn. Because I wait till their turn.
Yeah, that is it. Shabba, you know, take in one of them.
Guinea. See them, man? Believe me.
Eat them all the while.
Yeah, man. Enough sitting in the earth do not know so they can't eat and walk them past them every day. And say they say they can't eat. Remember tell them can eat. They be look for them good and check them out. So if you don't pass them on the yard gate or in on the yard, you don't cut down on tree or go to something, can make all juice.
That is it for real.
No.
Alright, so Shabba check in on the pot here now.
Yeah.
Second check.
Put the butter in there.
We don't put no butter in there. Want some water for strengthening the
Get some spring water there. Natural spring water.
Fresh water from the river, you know. And it's good on you now already, you know.
Yeah man, definitely. One more time we check it, and when we check it the next time or half we take it, we just make it boil up like a bit, cause I don't know, quick and fast. Bubble up. What is it? One shower style, you know?
A string bean in this too, you know.
Yeah, get the little string bean in it. You know, it thing come down. Hey. Get out some rice. No, no more than that, not true. Sure, so that good to go?
Two more rice in the back side. Because boy there ain't enough. You don't want to carry them some too. Ah, that is it.
Yeah? Just look at rice and water pour.
They always say the spoiled people. Say, okay. How much that?
The rice I want to wash. So we washing our rice. Yeah.
Well, yeah, now we have wash your rice.
Jasmine rice, you know, so eat a couple washer. Now if we pressure ourselves when it's too much because it kind of clean me also get out. So my start, hopefully me not take away from the taste. Yeah.
Yeah.
Chicken back ready.
Yeah, man, so Shabba style get off the chicken back. Curry chicken brown stew, what would you say? One more thing,
brown
bro.
stew.
Curry brown, I think correct it.
The curry chicken back brown stew.
I get the rice. Rice in I put it at the same time.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a pot I can cook all of this rice.
Hope so.
All I use it. Let's see the French time.
You can pop some in your
And thing. This is our rice pot. What is it? Fix it round, you know? Alright. Who have a pepper? Me have a pepper? I want pepper too.
You want to drop it two of them in there then? So you drop it two of them in there. Pepper with taste in the pot, you know, man.
Pepper in a pot.
Okay.
We are use cover it up because I'm not seeing cover for you.
I use that.
You put salt in there.
Some salt.
Put salt in there, but you know.
Salt. butter. Not my style though. I normally use coconut, but I use this piece of butter here. That is it.
Yeah, remember to like, share and subscribe. And press the notification button.
Shabba, watch the kneel down thing, you know.
The knee long thing and blowing thing.
3 pack of garlic. Yeah. Get them clean. Clean up and thing. Remember, if you want a calabash to purchase, yeah, just link up. You get a calabash. After this, wagwan done, you know?
Y'all get the string bean them cut up, you know? Put in the rice.
That is it. Alright, so we make some juice, you know? Yeah. Some sour orange as usual. I make with juice. While the water go and bubble up over there, so. Yeah, man. Get in with sugar. Only heap of juice I make. That is it. Stay tuned. I go ahead now and get in some string bean in a rice pot. Yeah, man. Nice it up. Yeah, string bean. Nice up the pot. Butter stir out and see that? Looking good so far. Okay, so this I go and simmer down. Cover it up now, my friend. That is it. Stay tuned. Don't move a muscle. Stir up the rice pot, you know?
Yeah, ready, brother.
Yes, are you ready?
I put that ready. I put some of the rice at the moment.
Jasmine rice, ready? Check in for the rice. Shabba. Taste it, no? Taste it. Ready, man? Take care. Ready? Half you should go.
Yeah. Boatland, I know, you know.
That is it. And a Portland. That is it. Stay tuned. Food I go share out and food when everything come down. Yeah. It's very good. Whole heap of rice in a dish. Yeah. What's going on? Remember to like up the video. If you're not yet subscribe to the channel. Subscribe, you know? Yeah. Shabba one this, you know? Get in for the meat, you know? Curry brown stew, chicken back. Bush style Chicken back, curry brown stew. Mm. Final one. That is it. I get here for them. Finally get some wooden forks. Yeah, finally. Good, eh? 4 of them. 4 of them. No more plastic. No more plastic around. Yes, so I bless the food and I just want to say thanks to Father God for this beautiful day and for this lovely food that we are about to eat right about now. Enough respect, give thanks, heart and love and respect every time. Yeah, man. Come on.
And the farmer eat from rice.
Yeah, some curry brown stew.
Every time. Brother.
Food I wash away. Calabash alone can't do that. There. Why? More lamb I want to eat. Me consume. With my wooden spoon. Why am I hungry?
Right.
Why? The rice bad.
Rice bad or rice good.
Chicken back.
It's a curry brown stew, chicken back
Yeah,
and
man.
some jasmine rice.
Paper? Bad.
Yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, man. Beautiful view. Right now, I'm glad for him farm, right? Yeah, so.
Right now the farmer eat up nice food, you know see?
That is it, man.
Everyday thing, you know?
I get out juice here now. Rather I get some juice. Show some for me there too, please. Now next little one. Yeah, real way, calabash style, outside.
People who have a calabash cup them. Remember we tell them. I make
Yeah.
angle pan them.
But
Get the wooden spoon out of calabash before you cook them.
yeah, man, everything there, man. Everything. That is it.
Yeah.
It was nice. This way I dance now. Yeah. See it? Wagwan Dalvi. Right here, right now. You know, I calabash them out. And see? I drink from the calabash as well. Stay tuned. It was nice and fresh.
Everything nice.
Everything nice.
Everything nice, huh?